All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today we're going to be talking about the almighty Zim Integrated Shipping. This is a shipping company out of Israel, and today I wanted to cover this topic just because Zim, in the past couple months, they've been kind of up and coming in the news, and a lot of people have been kind of like buying into Zim because it paid a massive dividend. And as you can see right now, looking at their forward dividend, there's nothing there because they did not pay a dividend last quarter. But going to their historical data, this is a company that paid massive dividends. Bringing up all their dividends right here, just to show you, they paid $6, $2, $4, all the way up to $17 in dividends. So this is a stock that I'm going to cover in this video. I'm going to go over a little bit about what it is, how much I have in my current dividend portfolio, and I'm going to show you what really moves the stock and what affects how it earns its income. But before we do that, what I want to tell you is we are a growing page on YouTube. I think the last video I uploaded, we had about 30 subscribers. So we gained 19 subscribers in one day. That is amazing. Thank you to everyone who's new, who's joined, and thank you for watching the videos. A couple of our videos are doing really well, and I just want to say you guys keep that going and keep enjoying the content and just building wealth together. We're all here to help each other, so please do subscribe if you haven't yet done so and join our community. Nonetheless, let's get into the video. So for starting off this video, what I want to do is I want to give you a little overview of Zim Integrated Shipping while reading their overview. So Zim Integrated Shipping launched in Israel in 1945. Zim became a pioneer in container shipping in the early 1970s and established itself as a leading global container liner shipping company with established operations in approximately 100 countries, serving approximately 30,000 customers in over 350 ports worldwide. So Zim Integrated Shipping is a shipping company. No, we don't need to look at the share price. We got that on Yahoo Finance already prepared. You know me. But yeah, so Zim Integrated Shipping, they are a container shipping company, and it is a very cyclical business. It kind of fluctuates going up and down with freight rates. And freight rates are what moves Zim Integrated Shipping. Pardon me. As you can see, it looks like July to about March of 2021 to 2022, shipping rates absolutely skyrocketed. This is when COVID was kind of on the downfall, but still kind of there, and everything went into lockdown, and this was seeing the aftermath of all that. This is when you couldn't get items shipped online, you couldn't get them from Amazon, all the ports were backed up, and shipping prices were going insane. At this time, Zim Integrated Shipping was collecting massive amounts of cash flow. As you could tell, previous years, okay, about 3 to 4 billion, and then you see this jump all the way to 10 to 12.5 billion, which is insane. They were collecting massive amounts of net income. When comparing it to their market cap, was about 3 billion at the time. They were making more than their market cap in a single year. That is insane. And so that was because freight rates jumped. But we're making this video today because freight rates have kind of stabilized a little bit, and as you can see, they went up and are currently at kind of like lows that they had before. So we're looking at about a level about like $1,400 or so, down from about 10,000. So that is a massive decline in the shipping rates, but it is kind of corresponding to that overall average that was before that whole COVID crisis. So looking at these prices, these container rates, do I think Zim Integrated Shipping is a good buy for the future? It's hard to tell because currently they didn't pay a dividend, because looking back at their last quarterly update, they actually were down 60 million. They lost 60 million in that quarter. It says here that their net cash flow from operations was actually positive 175 million, but they did lose 60 million in net income, so they did take a loss on their earnings per share, and they weren't able to pay a dividend. Am I worried? Not really. I am a holder of Zim. I'll show you my position later, but what I do want to show you is their balance sheet, because they currently hold about $3.3 billion in cash, and going to their balance sheet, that is more than double their current market cap. So they have more than enough cash to stabilize themselves for the future. I am totally not worried. So right now I'm just holding my shares. But going to my portfolio, what I want to do is show you my Zim Integrated Shipping So I actually have, let's see how many shares I have here. It's been a while. So we got 26 shares down here. This is Zim. I have 26 shares. The share price is currently at $13. I am down 55% on my initial investment. That looks absolutely terrible. I put in $750 and right now my position's sitting about $338. That looks terrible. Also, look at this. So my average price up here, I'm so sorry. I'm dragging you guys all over the place here. Let's see. My average price here is $28.91. So way down from $28.91 as we're currently at $13. But in the meantime, I also received these 2 dividends from Zim. So it wasn't all like a complete loss. I may be down about 20% in total, but I did receive this $4.75 dividend. I received this $2.95 dividend, and I also received $6.40. And owning 26 shares that I do, I did actually receive a pretty big dividend that came out to about $120 in that month. So it wasn't totally bad. So this is a little overview on what Zim Integrated Shipping was. I know there was a massive 100% yield shown before that is currently not available, but do I think they will pay a dividend in the future? I do think they will. Am I going to hold on to my shares? I will hold on to my shares for now. Freight rates is going to be like a little bit of an issue just because they are kind of flattening out. Zim is in the process of kind of like producing some more ships, so they should be okay for the future, and I'm just going to hold on and see how they perform as they navigate these like kind of almost like a recession in the shipping industry. So that was just a little video on Zim Integrated Shipping. Please do subscribe. Please do check out our other videos. We just released a video on SVOL with a 17% dividend breaking down how it works, so please do check that out and all of our other videos. I want to say thank you for sticking around. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.